Hi, I'm Jeff, Jeffrey Bautista, also known as Jeff or Jeffy Magic sa YouTube. Marami kasi akong video sa YouTube and pinopromote ko siya. Kahit yung mga impromptu ko lang, yung tipong walang magawa, ganyan. Tapos pinupost ko siya sa YouTube. Then nakikilala na ako over the YouTube as Jeffy Magic. Anyways, basically, ang gamit ko is deck of cards. This is my favorite among my napakaraming deck of cards. Pero it's a red bicycle deck of cards. Sobrang luma na siya. Madumi na actually. Pero wag ka. Ang dami na netong, yan artista yan. Tagal na ako mahilig sa Magic. Since grade 3 ako noon. Tandang-tanda ako pa. Hilig lang. Iba kasi yung hilig eh. Iba yung pinapractice ko din. So yun, nagsimula ako tipong nunod, ganyan. Tapos may mga tao kakilala. Ang galing. Alam mo yung tipong tagapalakpa ka lang. Tapos dream mo, dadating yung time pagdating ko ng age na to, ako na yung pinapalakpakan. Hindi ako nagpo-perform sa malalaking events. Hindi ako nagpo-perform talaga. Pero, na-hire ako minsan sa mga smaller events like gatherings, birthday parties. Pero I'm not that type na nakaklaw na. Hindi tayo ganun. Marami kasing klase ng magic. Meron dyan street magic. Meron dyan conjurer ka or stage magician, ganon. Pero among the three, wala ako doon. Kasi, tingin ko sa sarili ko, hobbies, ako yung pangalan. Hobbies, meaning, hobby mo lang, mahilig ka. Kasi pag profession, parang, pag sinabing profession, parang may katapat na pera eh. Alam mo yun, ginagawa mo siya for, money, gano'n. Ako, talagang for fun. May mapasaya ako tao, kahit alam nyo na, kahit, eto, puyat ako, pero kailangan nyo, di ba? Yung mga gano'n. Okay na yan, ganun lang. Ayaw nga pala, hello dyan. Pag wala kayong magawa sa bahay, mga videos ko nasa YouTube, type nyo lang Jeffy Magic, that's J-E-P-I, tas Magic, nakadikit lang yun. Marami doon, pero yung iba doon, yung mga beginner pa lang ako, ay makikita nyo evolution eh. Saka isa pa, share ko lang merong isang idol ako na magician, international magician siya, kilala siya sa Magic World, as Lee Asher. Then, this one, si Lee Asher, napanood niya yung video ko sa YouTube, nag-message siya sa akin. Meron kasi si Lee Asher na isang, sabihin na natin signature move, siya yung nagpauso. Kumbaga sa kanta, siya nagpauso. Meron siyang magic trick na siya yung nagpauso nun at siya lang nakakagawa nun. Then, ginawa ko. Nag-shoot ako ng video sa Batangas, nagustuhan niya, nilagay niya sa website niya, pumipili siya ng isang tao na kayang gawin yun at maganda yung pagkakagawa nun sa around the globe. Sa website niya, sa Philippines, I'm proud to say, I represent the Philippines. Check niyo doon, promise, meron taga Hong Kong, Taiwan, pero Philippines, ako! Sa mga taga Lasal Dasma, kasi dyan ako nagsimula. Ayoko na sabihin, pero meron ako isang idol na classmate ko. Sad to say, rest in peace, namatay siya kasi siya yung reason ba't nag-pursue ako ng pagmamagic. Sabi ko, tutuloy ko gaya ng mga ginawa niya na ginamit niya to para sa magpasaya ng tao at hindi for money. Yun lang.
Well, it's not far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility. And we can keep sailing, 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 Sometimes I feel like I'm losing my mind and I'm trying to get away. Creep up on myself and go high, fly so high every day, trying to sail to the other side. Recline my mind and get POD'd every time. Life is a rapper, got me breathing faster from chasing up the paper. I got to catch 'em, make it last. In this life we living in, all I need is my ends and a little bit of hand to persuade my sin. This ain't the brain name, that's me running the game, and that's to take it all the way to the bank. I'm going crazy, but I don't wanna be this way. Well, it's not far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility. And we can keep sailing, 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 Sometimes I found that I talk to myself then. Drinking and smoking too much, shit ain't healthy. Been trying to fight it, but I can't help it. Trying to get wealthy, it's really keeping me stressing. Can't trust nobody, kinda make it hard for me to love somebody. So I just been sailing and blowing away in the wind. I need some time so I can level my head. Give me some time so I can level my head. I'm going crazy, 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 but I don't wanna be this way, wait. Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility, and we can keep sailing.